Hello. In this video, we are looking at the topic, can homemade air compressor run an impact wrench? Read this before using an impact wrench. You can also read the full in-depth blog post by going to the link below. We welcome you to Home Tools Pro. So, can a homemade air compressor really run an impact wrench? Yes. An impact wrench requires approximately 4 to 6 CFM at 90 psi, while most air compressors can provide this much airflow easily, so you will not have any problem running an impact wrench with your air compressor. You are good to go if you already have an air compressor. All you need is to get an impact wrench and start using it. However, if you do not have an air compressor, you may wonder if it is possible to make a homemade one that can run an impact wrench. The answer is yes, it is definitely possible. In the full blog post, we have done hours of research, and divided the topic into the following subtopics. Number 1. What makes it easy to run an impact wrench using an air compressor? Number 2. What are the capacity and other required standards of an air compressor to run an impact wrench? Number 3. What type of impact wrench is suitable for an air compressor with a minimum gallon capacity? Number 4. How to calculate the amount of airflow an impact wrench needs. Number 5. Impact wrench air consumption. Number 6. What are the best portable air compressors to run an impact wrench? So, there you go. We go into much detail in our blog post about running an impact wrench using a homemade air compressor. Just click the link below and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside.